whether that was a wise decision from our gaffer. It's worked so far this season where we've rested players and then we've turned up on the Thursday in the Europa League. And if we turn up on Thursday and get to the final, then bro, I could give a damn what anyone does. What we did our job last week, and if you're referring to the fact that we rolled out the red carpet for Liverpool last week, yeah, we're shameless. We rolled it out. What one for that? I was partying hard. It was Beneo. Yes, I celebrated with them. Do you get what I'm saying? As for West Ham, they're dusty, and we took a point. You get me? Because man, them knew they couldn't lose to West Ham because the trolling would have been too much. But at the same time. The real question is, Northside, and I can see it in your eyes, UN Hooks. You want to know whether my club is ready for Thursday. Look, man, I can tell, but let me just get to it. Do you get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. The honest answer would be they better be, bro. They better be. Like, if they don't beat Bodo in Norway, they shouldn't come back. Like, legit. Like, they should, on that plane, keep going east. You know, like that, all of them. So if I was the Spurs players, rest up, eat well, sleep well, drink well, and do the job on Thursday. Then all of this stuff, hypotheticals, don't matter because we did our thing. Now, I offered Hooks where I think you might edge Northside in this is Northside was prepared to, he was actually prepared to see what's happening now and moan about it. But I offered him a white flag. I offered Northside a reprieve last week. I said, North, for 2 weeks, let's bury this beef. Me and you, we've been at each other's throats for a whole season. Me and Hooks have been at each other's throats for a whole season. But for 2 weeks, we are all, what do we have in common? We are all Mandem from the capital. Yeah? We are London, man.
You're even from down the road from me, man. You see it around the corner, so I hear it.
I said to North, since I've already coined you, man, as the spicy Spurs anyway, what difference does it make? I'm willing to bury the beef for 2 weeks. You do your thing so that Tottenham can do their thing. And if you want to chuck in Chelsea, I don't know why we keep inviting Yasser to the show, but whatever. If you want to chuck them in, you know what I mean? Make it a London thing. Your bedroom here, Hooks, said he's not involved. He said under no circumstance does he want to see a Tottenham Arsenal Super Cup. Whereas me, I'm ready to fly out with man to watch the Super Cup with you, man, and say, you know what? Let bygones be bygones. Let the real London team, North London team, stand up. So I ask you now, are you willing to put rivalry aside if the universe was to help you, man, and decide that this year it's truly a London thing? Because Northside's already told me under no circumstance would he want that to happen. So he's ready. Northside's already told me under no circumstance would he want that to happen. So he's ready.
So I need to clarify what you're asking me. Are you asking me that am I game for the scenario of Arsenal winning the Champions League and Tottenham winning the Europa League?
Bro, let's just say.
He's basically saying, are you up for North London forever? North London together?
Because don't get me wrong, I would love nothing. I would love nothing more than to punch you, man, up in a North London derby in the Super Cup abroad. I would love nothing more. But your route to getting there is a lot easier than mine. And I can't guarantee, even if I beat PSG, I can't guarantee that I beat either Inter or Barca. I think you going to the final and facing Bilbao or United is a much easier tie than Inter or Barca. So I'll be honest. I'd rather Bodo Glimt just punch you up on Thursday. I'll be honest. Like it just like I would rather. You have to understand that.
Maybe you're not understanding. I'm saying, let's say let's say that for Tottenham winning also gives your club the energy or the access to win. And I'm saying, are you willing to throw that away?
Do I 100% win?
Yeah, I'm saying you 100% win, provided Tottenham win.
What?
I'm just saying, I'm putting the energy out in the atmosphere.
Okay, so
If Tottenham win, then you man win. Are you willing to bury the beef, or are you like, you know what? Under no circumstance, you just want to see both. Because let me tell you now, if Tottenham go out, you go out.
What?
Not really.
That's not how it works. That's not how it works.
No, I'm putting the energy out there. If we ain't winning, you ain't winning. Hold that.
No, we ain't winning because we're not good enough. You know what I mean? You could potentially not win because you lot ain't good enough. It's got nothing to do with it. Why can't it be the scenario that we win and you don't? I'd be much happier with that. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather face other teams, to be honest, bro.
For me personally, when I cook you, man, let it be known and clipped that I offered you, man, a reprieve. I offered you an opportunity.
Yeah, fuck all of that. I'm not a Tottenham fan, bro. I don't want nothing but the worst for you, man. Do you know what I'm saying? And you're talking a lot.
Okay, well, guys, slow. Yeah, guys, slow, bro. The plan is slow. You get me?
I did
you. Leaky, bro. You know what I'm saying? That man is very leaky, bro. Diarrhea FC. So you keep talking because I saw you the way you were talking, yeah. When you leaked that one goal, no man. Oh, it would have been a perfect performance. You were upset that Bodo scored one goal. So deep down,
imagine
you're not confident as you're trying to let on, bro.
But one thing you can agree though is that, you know, man has standards, yeah. So I'm upset that we won. I need to hold that, bro. Hold that. Imagine being upset for winning. And that's the difference between us, bro. You're here hoping for a win. A man's getting upset for winning. I'm upset. Do you get what I'm saying? So
make sure your team.
Anyway, we know
your team, yeah. Make sure your team against Bodo Glimt. Make sure they take Imodium, innit? For that diarrhea leaky at the back, innit? Runs down the, you know what I mean? Running down their leg. Hopefully, yeah, you man take your Imodium, innit? You hold that because you ain't as confident as you're trying to let on, innit?
I tried to bury the beef for a couple of weeks.
There's no burying no beef, bro.
You're not on about bear. Bro, look, I hope you man get wrapped up.
I don't like the area.
I hope you man.
I don't like your badge.
I hope you get panned 3-0 by PSG.
Nah. It's very possible that we could, like, so, but I don't think you understand. Like, this is what you have to appreciate, yeah. This is why I'd rather you just go out on Thursday, which I think is very likely to happen, because you man are already not good, and now you're going to face them at their ground that isn't even real grass; it's AstroTurf, so you're not even used to playing in those type of conditions. In the place where like it's mad cold, hella cold, and them man over them sides. Like I just feel like you man are not ready for the Vikings to come out in the stadium and start making noise. You bottlers, you can't handle that pressure. It's only 2 goals. Do you know what I'm saying? Like it's very plausible that you could go out, but I need you to understand that the only thing worse for me this season than Arsenal not winning the Champions League is Arsenal not winning the Champions League and Tottenham winning the Europa League. So I'd rather you just go out to Bodo, because then no matter what happens, I don't have to face double pain. I only face one pain. I don't want to face double pain. One pain is enough. Do you know what I'm saying?
I was saying that you didn't have to have any pain. You could have done your thing, we do our thing.
This guy wants to do North London together. It ain't working, bro.
I'm not trying to do North London together, but what I am doing though is gathering receipts, so that when you man go out on Wednesday, I will be saying to you, bro, I offered you a handkerchief. I offered you man a reprieve. You man with your egos didn't want it, and hold the beating that came from it. I can't believe you man ain't ready to bury the beef to win a Champions League. Nah. You don't want to bury the beef to win a Champions, then die slow, bro. Die slow. You know, like that. Like,
no, but the funny thing is, yeah, you know, Bodo Glimt, it's not the final, isn't it? You do know that, yeah? You're talking like, oh, if we're eliminated this Wednesday, that all of a sudden you can run up your mouth. You still got
who's in the final
if you get past Bodo Glimt?
Who's in the final against my club?
Man United.
Yeah, and what have we done to them this season?
When it don't matter.
Yeah, when it don't matter.
What did your club do when it does matter?
What have we done to them?
What did you lot do the last European final that you was in? What did your club do in the last final that they were in?
Can I ask you, man, a question? Because
No. Answer my question. Answer my question. You don't want to answer it. No, what did you
do the last time we were in the final?
I know you was getting happy in it because you had Partridge in the final. That Champions League final, you was up for it.
Some guy
final. That Champions League final, you was up for it. You know what I'm saying? Couple Maggies in that. You get me? I got a fresh trim in that. You know what I'm saying? The Gillette right there. You know what I was like, yes, bro. This is
man was using S-Curl.
And what happened? How did your club react to pressure?
Wow, did Tottenham not get robbed?
Did Tottenham not get robbed?
But you know what I find funny though? You, man, after Wednesday, let's be real, after Wednesday, you would wish that you would be in my shoes. Hawks, you can be honest with that. You know what? After getting knocked out of the Champions League, are you telling me you wouldn't take a Europa League right now?
I would take a Europa League, but at the end of the day,
you're not winning it. I don't understand. You're not winning it. Like, there's more chance of me winning the Champions League than there is you winning the Europa League, because your chance of winning the Europa League is 0. My chance of winning the Champions League is not 0. So I need you. Do you know what? Yeah, I don't even want to think that far ahead. Yeah,
I would stop with
Fox, he said, yeah, you probably didn't see it. He said in his watch along, he doesn't want to face United. And now he's shamelessly here talking about, oh, but we're gonna win the Europa League. Why did you say on your watch along?
No, I don't rate United.
Why didn't you want to see United? You just said now. You said on your watch along, I don't want to see United. I don't want to see United.
I just think
I need people about to do their thing, yeah. And then now you're talking about, oh yeah, but we beat them this season. So which one is it?
Logically, we've already panned them 3 times. I can't see how you can pan a team 4 times. It's very difficult.
Logic doesn't.
It can be done. Play United every time we've played them, pan them up. But what I will say though is both of you need to stop where you are right now, because I'm gathering receipts from 48 minutes into today's show, and I'm just going to play it back to you on Wednesday evening.
That's the least of my worries, because I don't think you understand, yeah. Like, for Northside it's cool, yeah, but for me, I'm gonna be getting dragged through this YouTube world, yeah, like Reverse Flash did to the Flash Bowl. Like, I'm getting dragged by everybody, and do you know what? Do you know who it starts with? It starts with KG. So I promise you. You are the least. Whatever receipt you have is the least of my worries, because I'll be getting cooked on NAF. I'll be getting cooked on BSB. I'll be getting cooked here. How about that? I'll be getting cooked here. I'll be getting cooked on League Gunner stream. I'll be getting cooked on my own stream. All of a sudden, all of the people that were busy, that didn't want to come on my stream throughout the season, they're all free now. I'm gonna get cooked on Dan Potts' channel. I'm probably going to get cooked on Flawless's channel. I'm going to get cooked everywhere. Do you know what I mean? So you did. Hey, how about this? You're probably going to finally invite me back to your channel again. So I'm going to get cooked on your channel as well. I'm going to get dragged across the internet. So your receipts from today about, let's do the link up North London so we both win a trophy. It's the least of my worries, bro.
All right, that's calm. What I will do then is politely, can both of you check your diary? I need to book my time in for your cooking, both of you. When are you guys free? When can I? What? Beginning of June? You know, like that. Like, when do you want me to come through? When can you pass through? Beginning of June?
Do you know what the funny thing is though? Yeah. If we get kicked out this Wednesday, Deji, yeah, cool. We'll get our cooking, yeah. But the cooking for the rest of the summer is going to be in your club. Because then it will. Because if you make it to the final, we don't, yeah. All eyes on your final, bro. Yeah. All eyes on your final.
Yeah.
You're gonna get dragged all summer, bro. You've told us you don't respect United. They're dusty. Dusty club can never be your club. You already beat them numerous times this season. There's no excuse, bro. The way you're talking is as if you've already won it, bro. So the receipts are also for you.
Where are you gonna watch